Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty smile. Are you pretty close to laughing? You are? Are you talking? Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? Can you say hi? How do babies say hi? Like that? Can you smile again? Yeah. You are a very happy little girl. A very happy little girl who's about to get a bath and smells super sweet. Say adios. Say bye-bye. One more smile, please. Come on. Come on. One more smile for me. Hi. Hi, Ava. Hi, Ava. There it is.